Hey, guess what time it is, everybody? Time to dig up some sweet potatoes. Yep. Here is the raised bed. I believe I had 8 plants in here. I planted 8 slips in here last year. It's a 3x8 bed. And this year, I believe I put in 3 rows of 7, so 21 slips. Let's see what we got. Tell you what, let's start right here in the middle of the bed. Why not? Oh, there's one. All right. First sweet potato of the season. I'm gonna dig the rest of this bed up, see what we get. Okay, we got all the sweet potatoes harvested, and this is what we got. It doesn't even compare to last year's harvest, but you know, not bad. We got plenty that we can have some nice meals with. Not the year of the sweet potato. I think this year was the year of the pepper. Okay, I've got some sweet potatoes in these straw bales here. I've got 3 straw bales, and I'm going to get to those here in a minute, but I did plant some sweet potato slips in this new raised bed, this small raised bed. I'm going to harvest these and see what we got. Okay, we finally got a good sweet potato. Nice. Oh, this is definitely much bigger than that bed over there. Oh, shoot. Okay. Bigger, better, and there's more. Get out of there. Oh yeah. Well, I'm gonna have to get 2 hands on that one. Nice little haul from this little 1x4 area right here. Just produced the biggest one so far. Not bad. Okay, well, here's the 3 straw bales that I have some sweet potatoes growing in. So we're gonna see what we got here. See what we got. Oh, don't mind the toilet in the background. Had to replace our toilet, and I'm thinking I'm gonna put this in the garden somewhere and do some planting in it like they used to do in the older days. My wife's not too happy, but I don't know. We'll see what happens. Yeah, we got worms. Nothing. Nice soil for next year. Alright, number 2. These are first year bales, so I didn't really condition them that well. Hey, here we go. We got one. We got one. Not feeling any more though. Alright, last one on this straw bed. Straw bale. Little itty bitty. I don't know, I'm just not feeling any. Unless they're way down in there. Alright, let's try this guy right here. Huh. Oh, I feel something. Oh, there we go. There's one. Hey, we're getting closer to the sun, so maybe maybe I just had those ones too shaded. Or maybe they're just really deep down in here. All right. On to the last bale here. Bale number 3. This one got more of the sun. All right. Here we go. Oh, I got something there. Oh, 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 hey. There's a nice one. That's about all I'm feeling right down in there. This next one over here. Come on, give me some sweet potatoes. These bales will be very nice for next year's. Oh, there's one. Thought I felt another one down in there, but nothing. Got a couple more slips here. Oh, there's one on top there. Here we go. What's that? All right. Okay, there's one. There's one. Hey! Oh, I snapped it. Son of a gun. Not bad. That's a good size. There's the other part to them. Oh, there's another one. All right, we're doing better. We're doing better. Got a bee on me. All right. So this bale closer had more sun, so that's played a big part in it. Last slip here. I'm not feeling anything down in there. Huh. Unless they're way down in there. I think that's it. Oh, a couple little ones. All right. Well, I'm going to tear these apart a little better, but we got some sweet potatoes here. We got some sweet potatoes. First year bale had about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, about 9 slips in there. Experiment with first year bales. I'll take it. Okay, here is a grow bag that I decided I was going to try and grow some sweet potatoes in this year. So I'm going to dump this out and see how we did. Okay. Let's move on. Well, next to this fence, down this fence line here, I had extra slips, so I thought I'd just drop them in the ground. It's kind of sandy here. See if we have any luck. We got it all dug up, and we got some. Nothing huge. Nothing super huge. You know, but I'll take it for the extra slips that I had. Just thought I'd throw them in the ground somewhere. Right on. Okay, so here's the haul we got from the raised beds. Got quite a few. A couple nice ones in here. From the straw bale. I think the biggest one came from the straw bale. That might be the biggest one right there. And the extra slips I had that I just put in the ground along the fence line, you know what? Got quite a few. Happy with those. Anyways, I got a lot bigger ones last year. It was a lot hotter this year, temperature-wise, and I don't know really what the reason would be other than that. But if you want to check that video out, I'll put it at the end of the video, this video. And yeah, not bad. We'll take it. All right, well, here's the final haul, all combined. Not too bad. We're gonna make some pumpkin pie and have a good time eating them. All right, God bless everybody. Hey, we'd love to hear from you. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, everybody. Bye.